Hey guys, Dalton RV. Check out the new 2027 Cherokee Grey Wolf 26 DBH. This is our number one selling bunk bed family floor plan. It's got a camper king bed in the front, private bedroom, mid sofa and U-shaped dinette, and mid kitchen, one slide out. It's got two rear double bunks and a rear corner bath with a second entrance. It also has 200-watt solar, power tongue jack, dual 20-pound propane bottles, an outdoor kitchen, a flip-down rear travel rack, and a backup camera. Come check it out at Dalton RV.